Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing pancake art. I use purple food coloring, I use blue food coloring, and orange food coloring, and pink food coloring. It's almost Easter. Today we're going to do Easter stuff, the Easter basket and Easter eggs. So you gotta do the ones with the skinny little one first, so that's how you outline it. First I'm gonna do the Easter egg. Then you can at least fill it up with a different one if you want to. With one of these guys. Like this big one. But first I'm going to do the little stripes of purple. Line, and that's good. Then you can fill it up with blue. You don't have to do the big ones. You can just fill it up with the little ones too. Okay, then you wait and you hold a spatula, and you gotta wait till it gets all the way and it looks kind of like dry, like this the outside is. Okay, then you gotta try to get it. Keep on going back and forth trying to get it loose. And then you flip it over. Now I did my egg like that. You can do it however you want to. For a second. Okay. Okay, let's let it cook a teeny bit more. Okay. Try to get it in a teeny, just flip it over and see how it goes. Okay. The first egg, then you put that down. Now I'm gonna do purple outlining for like eggs. Okay, now you can fill up this one so you can at least finish up and do that. I'm going to do blue details this time. Now I'm going to try to make an Easter basket with the orange one. First you're going to do the handle. Kind of fill that up. Then you got to actually do that. For the whole basket. Then you're going to fill this all up. Just all like that. Then I'm going to add for detail, I'm going to do a little peeking Easter eggs. Easter eggs aren't that perfect, but I'm gonna just roll with it. Wait till all this cooks because this one's pretty big. Probably the biggest one. At least I got a big spatula right here. See, that's good. That's pretty much good. At least that one's not really broken. Cut that off. And that's all. But this one's covering one of the eggs, I think. This is how you make edible pancake art. That's good. Remember to have a dot nearby to help you because this is very, very hot and you don't want to get burnt. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye, I'll miss ya.